Hello everyone, this is Chef Jitendra Nagpur from Holiday Inn Cochin. We're going to do a beautiful Caesar salad today. So right now we're going to take a Roman lettuce along with Caesar dressing, cherry tomatoes, seasoning, salt, pepper and Parmesan cheese. For plating, we're going to use your beautiful lettuce here. Most important is your pork, which is again your bacon, which is the belly part. Then we're going to garnish with the chicken. Some Parmesan cheese on top. Let's finish our dish with the beautiful focaccia and then we're ready with our Caesar salad.